Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Fundrise eREITs. Fundrise eREITs are e-real estate investment trusts offered by Fundrise, a real estate investment platform. They allow investors to diversify their portfolio into commercial real estate without the typical high barrier to entry. The main purpose is to provide relatively passive access to real estate investment opportunities, targeting individuals looking to grow their wealth through diversified property investments. Key features include automated dividend payouts and a user dashboard for tracking performance. Their website provides details on investment options, minimum investment amounts, and risk factors. Fundrise aims for transparency, with clear disclosures on fees and potential returns. They position themselves as a user-friendly platform for both beginners and experienced investors, offering a simpler alternative to directly investing in individual properties. The platform uses a diversified approach, spreading investments across multiple properties to mitigate risk. Availability is nationwide, with eligibility typically determined by individual investor circumstances and financial capacity. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Fundrise eREITs. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process was straightforward, requiring only basic personal and financial information. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my portfolio performance, including current values, dividends received, and investment breakdown. I particularly like the ability to easily see the distribution of my investments across different property types and locations. I was also able to easily reinvest my dividends, furthering my investments automatically. The performance has been consistent with the projected returns, though naturally, it fluctuates with market conditions. I had a quick question about tax implications, and their support team responded promptly via email, providing a helpful and detailed explanation. A standout feature for me was definitely the automated dividend payouts. It's incredibly convenient. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though the desktop site works well on my tablet. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Fundrise eREITs. It's allowed me to passively participate in commercial real estate investments with relatively low effort. That's my overview of Fundrise eREITs. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.